and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Tayo Manuia, everyone. We are heading over to breakfast before we go to church. We had a look at the menu. Honestly, they had like really fancy names. All I was looking for was just a big breakfast. Look was at 10. Today's our last day in Brisbane before we head back to Sydney. It's been amazing being here with our family. Man, we're definitely going to miss the fams. It's been so fun. So grateful for the love and just for everything, for giving up their space and for taking me and my brother in during our short stay. Come along and enjoy this vlog. What did you get?
Fatu le nita fo io le tapuaima mano na whainga ruela wao foi o whainga na tua na kono na whainga aua na loto funuia te mamsina ma tua ka tu tanisia ma loto funuia le foi mo whawhiwa iatu le kaitai o sauninga na malanga o uso mo tua funuia via le tua
Today, I know. Small enough to. But yes, because. No, you got none. I was saying to all the time, Georgie, but he's like. Who was it, Olo? Why? She's Cameron. Having gone out with Auntie Mafa and the kids before we get ready to leave. Just hanging out one last time before we say goodbye. Love you guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Far, love you, Auntie. Far, bye, everyone. Oh. We're making our way back to Sydney now with the bro, and it is now 9 something.